Ever had your car die out of nowhere, or your lights randomly dim while driving? Most people immediately blame the battery, but it could be something even more critical: your alternator. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 clear symptoms of a bad alternator, what they mean, and what you should do before you get stranded. Symptom 1. Dimming or flickering lights. The most common sign of a failing alternator is dimming or flickering headlights. You might notice this more at night, or when you're reusing multiple accessories like your AC or radio. That's because your alternator isn't producing enough power to keep up with demand. Symptom 2. Battery warning light. When your battery light pops up on the dash, it's not always a battery issue. This warning light actually indicates a problem in your charging system. And guess who's responsible for charging your battery while the engine is running? Yep, the alternator. Symptom 3. Electrical failures. If your car's electronics start acting up, like power windows slowing down, your radio randomly shutting off, or your dashboard instruments flickering, that's a big red flag. A failing alternator means less voltage is going to your vehicle's electrical systems. Symptom 4. Dead battery. If your car battery keeps dying even though it's brand new, the real issue might be that it's not being charged. That's the alternator's job. If it's failing, you'll find yourself needing jump starts way too often. Symptom 5. Strange noises. Listen closely. A failing alternator can make unusual noises like whining, grinding, or squealing. These sounds often come from worn-out bearings inside the alternator or a loose drive belt slipping on the pulley. Symptom 6. Burning smell. Smell something like burning rubber or hot wires. That could be the alternator overheating, or the belt slipping and creating excess friction. Either way, it's a sign something's seriously wrong. Symptom 7. Engine stalling or trouble starting. When the alternator fails completely, your car may not start, or it might stall while driving. That's because essential components like the fuel pump and ignition system aren't getting the power they need to run properly. What to do next? If you're seeing any of these symptoms, don't wait. You can test your alternator with a multimeter or get it checked at a local auto parts store. Many will test it for free. Replacing a failing alternator early can save you from a breakdown or costly electrical damage. How to fix a bad alternator. At first, test it. Start your engine and test battery voltage with a multimeter. If it's under 0 volts, the alternator isn't charging properly. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before working on any electrical components. Step 3. Remove the belt. Use a serpentine belt tool or breaker bar to release the tensioner. Slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Step 4. Unplug and unbolt. Unplug the electrical connectors and remove the bolts holding the alternator in place. Take it out carefully. Step 5. Install the new one. Bolt in the new alternator, reconnect the wires, and make sure everything is tight and secure. Step 6. Reinstall the belt. Loop the belt back on and release the tensioner to lock it in place. Double-check the belt alignment on all pulleys. Step 7. Reconnect and test. Reconnect the battery and start your engine. Test voltage again. If it's between 13.8 and 14.5 volts, you're good to go. A bad alternator might seem like a small issue, but it can leave you stranded or cause damage to your battery and electrical system. The good news, it's totally fixable. And now you know how to spot the signs and even replace it yourself. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car repair tips just like this. Got a question about your alternator or need help with another issue? Drop it in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little DI today can save you big tomorrow. See you in the next one.